Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to lock individual chats in WhatsApp and then hide them using a secret code in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you've updated WhatsApp to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Now open WhatsApp and go to the chat you want to lock. Long press on the chat, then tap the three dots at the top right. Select Lock Chat, tap Continue, and confirm with your Face ID, fingerprint, or your device's security method. That chat is now locked, and you'll see a new section at the top called Locked Chats. To access it, just tap on Locked Chats and use your Face ID, fingerprint, or your device's security method again. Now, WhatsApp has added a new feature called Secret Code, which lets you hide the Locked Chats section completely. Here's how. Open Locked Chats, tap the three dots in the top right, and choose Chat Lock Settings. Turn on Hide Locked Chats, then create your secret code. Enter it again to confirm and tap Done. Now the Locked Chats section disappears. To access your locked chats, simply type your secret code into the search bar and they'll show up instantly. And that's it. That's how you lock and hide chats in WhatsApp using a secret code. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.